Hello all. This tutorial will help you to understand the workflow and updating the name of the material in Revit for Enscape. For faster real-time rendering in Enscape, it would be better to reduce your file size. You can use Purge if you think your file is needed. Advanced Material Setting in Revit. Step 1. Click the Material Browser icon on the Material and Finish category in the Properties palette. Step 2. Click the Create New Material on Material Browser. Step 3. Rename the material that you created, example 01_XX_01_ description. Step 4. Check Use Render Appearance on Graphic tab. Step 5. Click the Appearance tab on the Material Browser. Step 6. Click Replace icon. Step 7. Click Appearance Library. Step 8. Select a category. Step 9. Click a specific material that you would like to apply, or change. Click the Replace icon. Step 10. On the Material Browser, click the Duplication icon. This process is recommended to make a unique material. Step 11. If the material image needs to be changed, click the image name. If the material size, location, or rotate, click the image. Step 12. Change the scale, offset, or rotate. Click Done. Step 13. Update information on the Identity tab. The description is material tag information. Other information is material schedule information in Revit. Step 14. Update information on the Graphics tab. Shading, check Use Render Appearance. Update Surface Pattern if needed. Update Cut Pattern if needed. Step 15. Update information on the Appearance tab. Information name that should be unique. Generic can be an image or color. Reflectivity. Transparency. Self-illumination, create self-illuminated material like a light source. Bump, create a bumpy texture on a surface. Step 16. Click Apply. Click OK. You can learn more about Enscape materials in the links from the textbook. Also, you can download sample materials for your use in the link. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies Enscape workflow and the name of the material in Revit. Thank you.